Hi, I'm Georgia from Getsitecontrol, and in this video, I'll teach you how to create a welcome email sequence for your Shopify subscribers. So let's get to it. From the Automations tab of the Getsitecontrol dashboard, click Create Automation and choose the automation type. In this case, we need a new subscriber type of automation. This type of automation is triggered for each new subscriber who joins your Shopify customers list. Subscribers can join your list by signing up via a form on your store. It can be a Getsitecontrol form, a theme form, or a form from another third-party app. Or subscribers can join your list by agreeing to receive marketing communication at checkout, or they can be imported to Shopify from another source. So let's pick new subscriber. And at this point, we can proceed to create our email. So we'll click Add Action, Send Email. And here we can create the email in 3 ways. We can start from scratch and use one of these basic templates. In this case, we would type our own copy, add visual elements to the email, all on our own. Or we can use one of these templates as a base. All of these templates are fully customizable, so you can pick a template from the section that interests you and customize it however you prefer. Or third option, you can reuse one of the emails that you have previously created in Getsitecontrol, which is what I'm doing right now to save some time. So I'm gonna pick my template from here. This is the email that I have prepared. Let me show you. As you can see in the email, we are offering a discount on the first purchase to encourage subscribers to make a purchase on the store. This is obviously optional, it's up to you. When you are satisfied with the design of your email, click Save and Close. And our automation could be complete as is. But if you want, you can send your subscribers more emails, for example, to introduce your brand, to talk about the materials you use or your production process, or showcase your best sellers. So you can repeat the same process for how many emails you want to create in the automation. I have created 3 emails for my automation, and I have already added a time delay between the first 2. Always add time delays between your emails so that your subscribers don't get all the emails at the same time. To add a delay, open the Actions menu, select Add Delay, enter your time delay here, and then position the delay where you want it in the automation. At this point, you just need to activate the automation and go back to the main automation screen. And that's it. That concludes our tutorial. Now it's time for you to set up a welcome automation for your Shopify subscribers.